Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. We are driving along Transcontinental Drive in Metairie, Louisiana, a major north-south corridor in Jefferson Parish. This roadway connects residential neighborhoods, commercial centers, and business districts, making it one of the area's most heavily traveled streets. Metairie began developing rapidly during the mid-20th century, especially after World War II, as the New Orleans metropolitan area expanded beyond the city limits. Transcontinental Drive emerged during this period as automobile travel became central to daily life. Its name reflects the era's optimism about mobility and long-distance travel, even though the road itself serves a local and regional role. As we continue along Transcontinental Drive, you'll notice a mix of shopping centers, offices, apartments, and single-family homes. This variety highlights Metairie's evolution from rural land and dairy farms into a suburban hub. By the 1950s and 1960s, improved roads and drainage projects made large-scale development possible, transforming the landscape into what we see today. Transcontinental Drive also intersects with several major east-west routes, including Veterans Memorial Boulevard and West Esplanade Avenue. These intersections form key commercial zones that support retail, dining, and services for residents throughout Jefferson Parish. Like much of the New Orleans area, Metairie sits below sea level and relies on an extensive drainage system. Canals, pumping stations, and levees play a crucial role in managing heavy rainfall and hurricane threats. After Hurricane Katrina in 2005, infrastructure and flood protection improvements became a priority, shaping ongoing development along corridors such as this one. Despite its busy nature, Transcontinental Drive reflects the everyday rhythm of suburban life in southeast Louisiana. It's a place where people commute to work, run errands, and connect with surrounding communities. The steady flow of traffic and businesses illustrates how Metairie functions as both a residential center and an economic extension of New Orleans. watching!